Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee cream. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having your cream very cold is key for successful whipping. Feel free to customize with other flavorings like a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of almond extract for a unique twist. Now let's get to the fun part, whipping your cream. Grab your stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment or use a hand mixer. Start on a low speed for about 30 seconds to prevent splashing and ensure everything is well combined. Then, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. You'll see the cream begin to thicken and form soft peaks as you continue to mix. The key to perfect coffee cream is achieving the right texture. Continue whipping until the cream holds its shape, but is still pourable and not overly stiff. You're looking for a consistency that's thick enough to dollop, yet still smooth. Be careful not to overwhip, as it can quickly turn into a grainy, butter-like texture. This entire process typically takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once your delicious coffee cream is ready, it's time to think about storage and enjoyment. Transfer your freshly made cream into an airtight container. It will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 5 days, ready for your morning brew. When serving, a generous 2 to 3 tablespoons per cup of hot coffee is usually perfect for a rich, creamy experience. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.